In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear browsing history on Google Chrome. If you're looking to tidy up your browser, protect your privacy, or fix pages that aren't loading correctly, clearing your history is a quick and reliable way to start. Begin by opening Chrome on your computer. Look toward the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you manage settings, tools, and your browsing records. From this menu, move your mouse over the History option to reveal a submenu. Then click History again. This takes you to the full history page, which lists the sites you've visited. On the left side of this page, you'll see a link labeled Delete Browsing Data. Go ahead and click it. A pop-up will appear with your clearing options. At the top, choose the time range that fits your goal. Last hour is perfect for a quick cleanup after a short session. Last 24 hours or last 7 days is helpful if you've been troubleshooting issues recently. If you want a fresh start, select All Time. Just remember, the broader the range, the more data will be removed. Next, decide what types of data you want to delete by checking the boxes. If your goal is privacy or a simple reset, select Browsing History. If websites are acting strangely, not keeping you signed in or showing outdated content, cookies and other site data can help, but be aware this will sign you out of most sites and may reset some site preferences. If pages feel sluggish or you're low on storage, cached images and files is a great choice. Clearing the cache forces Chrome to download fresh copies of images and scripts, which can resolve display problems. Pages may load slightly slower the first time afterward, then speed back up. Once you've chosen the time range and the items you want to remove, click Delete Data. Chrome will work in the background for a few moments depending on how much it's removing. When it finishes, your selected history and site data are cleared. If you had persistent display or loading issues, try revisiting the site now to see if things have improved. That's all there is to it. By using the history page and delete browsing data, you stay in control of what Chrome remembers and keep your browser running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.